Hey everyone! In this quick guide, I'm going to show you how to make a clean, professional-looking logo in Canva. It's honestly way easier than most people think, so yeah, let's jump right in. First thing, go ahead and sign in to your Canva account. If you don't have one, just create a free account. It only takes a moment. Once you're in, look at the search bar up top and type in the word logo. Canva has thousands of ready-made layouts you can start from, and yeah, they're super easy to customize. Scroll through the templates until you see something that matches the vibe you want. Clean, modern, playful, whatever fits your brand. Then just click the one you like. All right, now you can start editing. Click the text box and replace the default name with your brand name. You can change the font, the size, the spacing, all of that. Canva's text controls make it really simple. Next, switch up the colors so everything matches your brand identity. Just click any element, open the color picker, and choose what you want. If you already have brand colors, you can paste the hex codes too. If you don't love the icon, you can swap it out. Go to the Elements tab, search for something that fits your business, drag it in, and delete the old one. Now, spend a moment adjusting the layout. Move things around, center them, and make sure the spacing feels balanced. Canva gives you those alignment guides, so it's pretty easy to get everything lined up. When you're happy with everything, go to the top right corner and hit download. For logos, I usually recommend a PNG file with a transparent background because it works almost everywhere. And that's pretty much it. You now have a clean, custom logo made entirely in Canva. If this was helpful, feel free to subscribe, and yeah, I'll see you in the next one.